I got a '09 Ford Fusion, and the water outlet inlet is leaking. You can see it's all over the trans. The outlet is right here. Her inlet or outlet, I'm not sure what the name is, but it's this little box down here. Here's the new part. So I believe the seal went out. It was steaming really, really bad between the head and that block that I'm going to replace. I'm hoping that's it. So stay tuned and we'll find out. Alright, back working on the Fusion. So here's the water inlet that I was talking about. You got your upper radiator hose needs to come off. Your air intake needs to come off, just so you can access it. There's a bracket here that holds all your fuel line, all this. There's a clip right here. I couldn't get this hose connector off the airbox, so I just pushed it up out of the way. So I'm gonna take a little video, kind of how you get to it, but I'll keep you updated. After you get them hoses off, there's 4 bolts that hold it on. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's an 8mm. I'm using 1/4 inch, a little extension. Fits the best. Alright, so I got her out. There is another hose on the bottom of that. Right there's the nipple. Once you get it loose, it's easier to get to, but right there's our problem. Seal's blown right out. Looks like we have a sensor to swap and this vent thing to swap onto the new block. Yippee. Getting there. Alright, little update. So I bought this water outlet housing, not this one, but a different one off Amazon, and it did not fit. There is a temp sensor. See that hole? There's a little clip that locks this sensor in right there. Well, the one on Amazon don't have no hole or nothing, so be careful, guys. I ended up ordering this one from O'Reilly's. So we'll get her on there and then fill her up and see what happens. Alright, so here's that faulty part. See, that just looks like just a seal, but the whole plastic's gone under it. Burnt right up. You will install the lines back in. Them are those lines I was talking about. Waiting for the thermostat to open.